How to send documents from TaxDome to Juno. Juno transforms tax preparation by automating data entry from client documents directly into your tax software. Instead of manually entering information from W-2S, 1099-S, and other tax forms, you can send documents from TaxDome to Juno, where AI extracts the data with over 99% accuracy. This saves hours per return during tax season and virtually eliminates data entry errors. Let's walk through sending client documents to Juno from TaxDome. Start by opening the client's account. From here, we'll navigate to the document list. For this example, we'll send a few tax forms from the 2024 folder. Juno handles all major tax forms: W-2S, all 1099 variants, 1098-S, Partnership K-1S, and business schedules like Schedule C, E, and F. Select the documents you want to send. Juno accepts PDFs, images, spreadsheets, and even handwritten documents up to 50 MB each. Juno adapts to whatever format your clients provide. A sidebar opens showing all selected documents. If any document doesn't meet the requirements, wrong format or too large, you'll see a note here. Choose the taxpayer contact from the drop-down. The contact's first and last name must be filled in for documents to send successfully. Once you click Send, documents are now on their way to Juno for processing. You can monitor document status right from TaxDome without switching platforms. Notice the Juno column now appears in your document list. Each document shows its current status. Processing means Juno is extracting data from the document. This typically takes just a few minutes. Once a document shows delivered, the data has been extracted and is ready for your review in Juno. If you see Limit Reached, you've hit your Juno usage limit for the current period. Check your subscription in Juno to continue. After documents reach Juno, the platform extracts data from your tax forms and builds a draft return. Juno performs an automated review to catch errors and inconsistencies before you even look at the return. You review the extracted data, make any necessary adjustments, and then push it directly into your tax software, whether that's Lacerte, ProConnect, Drake, or UltraTax. The entire process that once took 45 minutes per return now takes just a few minutes of review time. With Juno integrated into your TaxDome workflow, you're eliminating the most time-consuming part of tax preparation while improving accuracy. Your team can focus on high-value tax planning and client service instead of manual data entry.